Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'll walk you through rebooting your Starlink router without the hassle of unplugging and plugging it back in. Let's dive in. First, head to your App Store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play, and download the Starlink mobile app. Look for Starlink and get the app installed on your phone. Once downloaded, open the app and log in to your account. Simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then hit Sign In. Once you're signed in, navigate to the settings. Scroll down until you find the router option and select it. Within the router settings, you'll see the option to reboot. Just slide the toggle to the right and your Starlink router will reboot. It'll power off and then back on again. This straightforward process comes in handy if you've noticed a drop in your Starlink network performance. A quick reboot might just do the trick to resolve any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, guys.